Question 28 says, given the first derivative of f is equals to that function, for what values of x will the graph of f have turning points? Now, the turning points that are described when our gradient is equals to 0, also referred to as stationary points. And these points are achieved basically when we equate the first derivative to 0. So if we were to solve for x to the power of 3, let's write that x to the power of 3 plus 5x squared plus 6x multiplied by x minus 2 squared is equals to 0. Then we'll be able to find our values by factoring out x out of this part of the equation. So we're taking x out, we are left with x squared plus 5x plus 6, and then x minus 2 and x minus 2 if we want to write it out. Then at this point we can write it as x, or rather x, and if we find the factors of 6 that give us 5, it will be 3 and 2. So x plus 2 and x plus 3 and another x minus 2 and another x minus 2. And if we get all of them, only writing down the unique ones, we get x is equals to 0, x is equals to minus 2, x is equals to minus 3, and then x is equals to positive 2. So we have 4 of them. And here we see x is equals to plus or minus 2, that's that and that. X is equals to minus 3 and x is equals to 0. So A corresponds with our answer.